How's it going, YouTube? Well, this is day 2 of trying to resurrect Mighty Mouse. I guess that's what you'd call it. Because trying to get it back running, I got the header gaskets put on, which that was a pain in the butt. Both didn't want to line up. It was wanting to be difficult. But I got it to this point. I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so what we have is exhaust is back on, and I ran the plug wires underneath the headers, so they couldn't lay on the headers. I'll probably strap them up to something down there. I don't know, I might hook onto something, but I had these nice MSD wire splitters, I guess you call them. But I still need to put the ends on it for the distributor. I got the distributor in, and luckily it was the right one to fit in there, and it looked good. Hopefully it'll go zoom. And then on this side we got the header back on. In the same way here, we ran the wires underneath the header and then up in front of the head, and they'll go to the distributor. This thing's been kicking my ass today. I think it's the end of the day. Probably drank 15 Gatorades and I don't know how much water, but it's hot today. I bet it was all of 90 degrees today, easy. It was hot. But yeah, that's all I got for today. It's like just short video. And somebody had asked, why am I not showing what I'm doing, why I'm doing it? Because I get in the zone and I get to working and I get it done, and I said, dang it, I should have videoed that. But anyway. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow it'll go vroom. Oh, I didn't show you where I mounted my MSD. Got the MSD mounted here. And yeah, the wires are still sticking out. I gotta, that's the hot and the ground. I gotta run those over to the battery. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow it'll go vroom and it'll run better than it has since I've had it. It can't run any worse. So I'll get back on this tomorrow. I'm gonna take down my tent and clean up my tools, and I'm tired, and I'm gonna try and get on Jason's live tonight. So that's always a fun one. And I want to give a shout out to Bear Rose Garage. He gave me a shout out on his channel, his community page, and I appreciate it, major. I'm gonna have to reciprocate that, find one of his good videos and do it. But anyway, y'all have a good evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Later.